I came here back again. Today we are going to be showing you, well, I am going to be showing you this awesome trick on how to hack Subway Surfers. Watch, I'll just show proof before y'all get off or anything. Okay. Please subscribe and like, guys. Yeah. So, oh my god, my Wi-Fi slow right now, guys. What don't affect my phone or my Wi-Fi? I don't know, but yeah. Sorry guys for the background. If you hear my sister, she's over there singing. Oh, let me go to me and I'll prove. See, in the top right, the keys and the coin. So yeah. So I'm going to show you how to hack it. So first, what you want to do is go to Google. There we go. And you type in. Oh, and this, guys, it's not a verification or anything. You don't need to verify you're human or anything. You go to Subway Surfers mod android.com. So I'm sorry guys, my Wi-Fi is slow, so yeah. So next, I think you want to go to hold up, which one was it? I think it was this one. Yeah, it was this one, guys. I think, yeah, it's this one. So yeah, okay, next you want to go to download. You click download, you scroll down, scroll back up, click download, click this. You gotta wait till this loads. Oh, and please guys, if you watch this video, don't just do it and not like or subscribe or anything. Please. And then you click, well, it does that. And then you click download. But I'm not gonna do it. Well, I did it again since I just want to prove. And yeah, guys, all you have to do is just wait for it to download. And yeah, thanks. Bye. Like and subscribe. Wait! What? Hi! Hey, okay. Bye guys.
Real videos.
Go check my channel. And pause the video. Oh guys, I wanted to give a shout out to my friend Meta Julio II. So go like and subscribe to him.
And he also has a free fidget spinner giveaway.
Oh yeah, I am giving a fidget spinner giveaway. So if you like and subscribe and comment, I'll just choose a random person out there, and you tell me and I'll contact you on Facebook or Twitter. So yeah, bye guys.